Come with me and you'll see a steelbook unboxing of the new Wonka movie. I've already took the SRAM map out to save some time. Back of the package, you guys can see what goodies. If you want to scan the QR code, pick this bad boy up at Walmart exclusive. Beautiful front, beautiful back. If you want to know my opinion on the movie, well, watch the review. So we got a beautiful setup. Comes with the 4K disc and the DVD. And the digital code. The digital code will be mine. So with that said, this has been Sim and Dan Sound. Off until next time, guys. Peace.